No? I gotta hide in the closet when I do it. No, Scott!
Take a picture of me.
Scott! I want to be alone with Snapchat! Stop! I'm busy. Okay.
Come on, Katie. Time to get Taco Bell.
Come out of your hovel.
Guys, nerve me out. Taco Bell.
Oh, my. Bad. Bad.
It's Katie in its natural habitat. Watch out, it's hungry.
I love tacos.
I'm so glad that
Your hair is
was
so bad.